Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to demo trade on Pepperstone. And right now the first thing that you need to do is create right here a demo account. And we can do this simply by clicking on add a trading account. Select here the trading platform that you want to use. I recommend you to do the online web trader, so Pepperstone. Select here your account type. Now I want a standard account, and then fill in right here the account nickname. Select here the amount of money that you want to use on your demo account, and then select right here the currency. Then we click now here on submit, and now he is creating our demo account. And then after that, you just need to click right here on the P with lunch. So we click now on that, and now he is sending us to the page right here where we can start trading. So if you want to trade, first of all, what you need to do is make sure that you select right here in public's list, crypto, ETFs, FX, popular market shares, or what you like. Now let's do for us right now, crypto. So this is fine. And then what we're gonna do right here is Bitcoin to US dollar. Let me see, it's standing right there. We click on this, and now I will show you how to take position. So from now, this is the chart, and if you click right here on buy, you will see this new order standing right there. And what we're gonna do is quite simple. We select here the order type, so let's do limit stop or a market order. Then we change here the lots now to, let's say, to 1. This is a lot, I know. This is not possible. Let's do 0.5. Yeah, something like that. That is fine. And then what we're gonna do right now is we click on protection orders to create a stop loss or a take profit. If you want to do that, make sure that you do that. So let's create a stop loss on the 60K. So like this. And then, we click now on send order. And then right now the order is filled right here. So this is now our open position. If you want to close this, we can click here on the cross and then do close position. And now we close the position and lost $7.50. And you can do exactly the same for sell, so for a short. So if you now click right here on sell, you can create exactly the same order and then click on protection orders to create a stop loss or take profit. Then you can click right here on send offer, and then you create also your position. So this is how you can demo trade on Pepperstone. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.